So now the reason that we put the masking up is so that when I go to spray my spray bond, this will all be protected, but I'm not going to make a mess of the floor or the walls. So I'm not spraying the entire panel, I'm just spraying exactly where I put all the stain. So I'm just going to remove this with ring. Now the reason that I am shaking this is to stir all the solids and liquids together so that we actually do have a 20 degree, which matches exactly to what the furniture already is. Okay, with these spray bombs, there's actually a little turn wheel here, so it gives you two different spray patterns, one going across and one going up and down. So just to make sure the spray pattern is the way I want it, I'm just going to test it on my paper. And as you can see, it goes this way. So we're going to actually just turn this knob, and I'll show you what the other spray pattern is. And as you can see, it's this way. So I don't want to spray it this way because I'm going up and misting it out. So I'm going to turn it back and just give it a spray and cover up all the repairs I just finished doing. And just wait a couple of moments, and then I'm going to put a second coat on top. Once that's dried a little bit, I'll put a third coat on top of that. Okay, and here we go again. This time I'm going to bring it over, it's a little bit more. Okay, and we're just going to wait until that dries up a little, and then I'll put my final coat on top. Okay, and here we go with the final coat. Just making sure that we're getting all the area. Okay, now we're just going to unmount this. As you can see, there's no overspray on anything else because of all the protection that we did with the masking. And now we're good to go.